In this video, I will show you how to install the JioSphere application on your smart TV without Play Store or App Store, or in some rare cases, without seeing the application on your App Store. So if that's the situation you're facing, this video will help you. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want the JioSphere application and you don't have it on your App Store, the application you can use is called Downloader. This is a very easy to use application. If you don't have it on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a guide there on how to install the application, which you can go ahead and install it right now. So after installing the application, you launch it. What this application does is that it helps you source sources on the internet where you can install applications, documents, files, videos, and download them to your smart TV. So once you come over here, you're going to type the JioSphere app on the box given, and then after writing that correctly, you're going to click on go. Once you click on go, Downloader is going to show you the various sources on the internet, across the internet, where you can install the JioSphere application. As you can see, these are the various sources. So you can see you can choose the first option or the second option or any other option that is good for you. So for me, I'm going to go the first option. So the first option, you're going to see that this leads us to installing the JioSphere application. So once you come over here, it's going to give you the install button. Now, unfortunately for me, JioSphere is not supported in my area, but if you're in an area that supports JioSphere, you're going to see the install button somewhere around here, and you just go ahead and install the application to your smart TV.